Hey guys, I just wanted to check in really quick and talk to you about that new letter that we're going to be learning this week, and it's letter V. So when I make the number 2 or a peace sign with my hands, it looks like that V. When I make the sound V, my teeth touch my bottom lip. And I feel the vibration in my mouth, but that's one of those letters you can hold out for a really long time. Remember how we practiced with M, and we saw how long we could hold it for? You could try to do that with V and count how many seconds you can do it. Now, when you guys make that V, I know you guys are going to be really great. It's pretty simple. For a capital, I start at the top at strawberry, I slant down, bounce, slant up. Then lowercase, just as on vanilla, slant down, bounce, slant up. Now, when you're writing those, make sure you're being neat though, because they do need to live. The capital one lives between strawberry and chocolate, and then the lowercase one lives between vanilla and chocolate. And the picture here is of a vase. You guys could say vase. That's something that holds flowers. The other thing I wanted to talk to you about was Golly, guys, was playing and he hurt his paw. So when animals get hurt, they have to go to the vet. So the super kids are here at the vet and they say, Golly has a bad cut. Help him, help him. Now remember, sometimes the animals and people even too, we get hurt, but the vet is where you need to go to make it better. So I have a good feeling that the vet is going to make Golly healthy. But if I look down at the bottom of the page, I see a capital V, lowercase v. You guys could say v, v for those 2 V's we found. And then let's look for some other things in the picture that have the v sound. This thing on the wall over here, you play it. It's an instrument called a violin. You guys could say violin. This right here, the woman who has the white coat on, like the doctor, she's a pet doctor, which we would call a veterinarian or a vet. You guys could say vet. Now, Joe over here, he was cleaning up the carpet with something called a vacuum. You guys could say vacuum. Holding the flowers, we just talked about this. It's a vase. And then the last thing I see in the window over here, something that they drive to maybe pick up pets, is the van. And I actually see it says animal rescue van. I don't see any other things in the picture that would have that v sound, okay? But so you guys can practice when you're writing those v's. Take your time. I know they're pretty simple, but still make them look really nice. All right, have a very amazing Monday.